Mayweather really have the power? Does he have that power?
Meron din siguro pagka if he gets lucky like Marquez, no? Pero I don't think he throws a punch as heavy as Marquez. Yung mga knockouts niya, it was most of them were either weaker opponents or he got lucky or nanggulang lang sa tiga, like in the case of Ortiz. Si Ortiz ni-knockout niya
Classic
dahil
yun.
nakababa yung...
Classic yun. Classic.
Nakababa yung mga kamay. Nakalingon sa nakatingin sa malayo. Yun, hindi na nakabangon yun. Well, that also gives you an idea na if you open yourself up, pwede ka rin pabagsakin ni Mayweather. But as we all know, Mayweather does not have the same knockout rate as Pacquiao. I think Pacquiao has more than has knocked out 2/3 of his opponents.
37.
Mas marami.
66-67% and Mayweather mga less than 60%. So knockout-wise, mas mahirapan si...
Ikaw, Ted, do you think Mayweather has the power?
Against Pacquiao, probably yes. Yung sinabi ni Jun, that's the reason why siguro si Pacquiao should not be body-body with Mayweather during clinches or off clinches, ganyan. Like yung ginawa niya kay Mosley na when they bump,
Fist bump.
Fist bumps. Hindi pa pwede kay Mayweather yan eh. Kasi kilala mo si Mayweather na sobrang gulo ngayon, like what he did to Ortiz. But I think yes, he has the power at welterweight. He hasn't been known as a knockout puncher. Hindi siya not as heavy a puncher as Margarito or Cotto. But he's smart. It's considered he's smart, and yung defensive genius niya is really top rated.
Fred?
Mayweather is 47-0, 26 doon by knockout. So hindi naman siya mananalo ng 47 by purely defense lang. May pensa rin yan. Sa tingin ko, itong kay Pacquiao, paghahandaan niya to. He has to win not only decisively but if possible by knockout para talagang patunayan sa mundo na mas magaling siya kay Pacquiao. So I think sa style naman, I think he will open up against Pacquiao. Maybe in the mid rounds or later rounds. Una muna, siyempre mga kapain mo niya si Pacquiao. Pag sa tingin ng kaya niya, I think he will engage.
Mayweather, power.
Power.
Pero ba?
Well, I think he has. The thing about him kasi is he's never found the need to rely on power. He's been doing the same thing over and over again, trying to stretch fights at the end, trying to win it in the end, trying to wear down his opponents, sleeping on Sir June. Why change now? He's been successful with that. So one way to look at it is he's never had a chance, he's never had the need actually to flaunt whatever power he has. But might be there. The thing is, Pacquiao cannot just concede or just rely on his past fights and say that he doesn't have any knockout punch or what. It might be there, but whether or not it comes out, I really doubt it. You feel that hanggat hindi niya naman kailangan, it's not really going to turn to it. It's not going to change this late in his career. Diba? Sabi nga ni Sir Jun, to win. He's going to win fights the way he always wins fights. No matter how much you go to him, people will always say na your fights are like lullabies. The only people who he puts to sleep are the ones who watch him fight. Diba? But he's not gonna listen because he's been successful all throughout now with his own style. So I don't think he's gonna, if he has, I don't think he's gonna rely on it too much as he relies on his great smarts.
All things considered, he really prefers to go the distance. Pero does Mayweather need a knockout?
I think Mayweather will go for the knockout. If I were Mayweather, I would go for the knockout. Para pag tingnan sa mundo, mas magaling talaga kay Pacquiao. Because if this fight will go the distance, lalo na pag split decision, maraming question. Which is favorable for us since, kasi may magkaroon ng rematch. But I think to also put Pacquiao on the defensive side of the fight, mag-open up kasi Mayweather sa tingin ko. I think he will go for the knockout.
Okay.
I don't think Mayweather needs a knockout against Pacquiao. All he needs is to stand up to the 12th round. Kasi yun nga, he's been protected his 47-0 record. And I don't think judges will give him a loss, a defeat, just for extending the fight to the 12th. I don't think so. Tingin ko, he doesn't need a knockout. All he needs is a decision. A close decision will go his way.
You agree, Jun?
I agree. He doesn't need the knockout. Kailangan lang niya, all he needs to do is not to lose.
Yes.
Yun nga, knockout, na lang yung bonus na lang sa kanya yun. This is the opportunity to knock Pacquiao out, then maybe he'll grab it. But he will not go for a knockout. I don't think he will risk that much just to put Pacquiao down.
Yeah, I don't think it will be too big of a risk for him to go. He might want, sabi nga ni Fred kanina, he might want to prove himself. I mean, he's a guy who's been bashed all over social media for his refusal to fight. Man, it might get to him that, to silence his critics once and for all. He might just try to see if there's an opportunity, he might grab it. But again, in the end, kasi there are some judges na they're biased. They will always be. It's not just Mayweather. There's just bias towards people who are undefeated. Some judges kasi they score it that way unless you can prove that you did something spectacular to dominate. They will always medyo every close round. The judges will always be leaning towards the undefeated. There are some judges who always lean toward the undefeated fighter. So he has, sabi nga ni Sir Jun, all he has to do is not lose. He has to play the same thing over and over again. He's going to do the same thing over and over again. He's going to try to win this by the scorecards. He knows that's where his strengths are. So there's no need. But again, you never know. Once the opportunity rises, you might just want to silence everyone who's been picking on him for avoiding Pacquiao, and he just might go for it.
Especially if he hurts Pacquiao.
Yeah, especially if he knows that but Pacquiao feels that.
Otherwise, hindi na.
Otherwise, it's so unlikely na sabi nga Sir Jun, it's too late in his career to change.
What edge does Mayweather have over Pacquiao in this bout?
Pacquiao needs this fight more than Mayweather does. And because of that, I think Pacquiao would be more eager to win. Medyo manggigigil yan. Posible manggigil.
So, pabor kay Mayweather yan?
Pabor kay Mayweather yan. Si Mayweather is, kumbaga, mas mahirap pasahin kaysa kay Pacquiao. Mahirap pasahin. And maghahanap ka pa ng bukas para siya tamaan. Or kung di man, kailangan bombahin mo. Like in a firefight, hindi pwedeng sniper shots na niya. Kailangan bombahin mo siya. He doesn't need to do that against Pacquiao.
Galing umilag eh. Ni Francis, ano galing umilag? Anong advantage ni
Mahirap basahin, sabi nga. Magaling pa magbasa. So I think one of the biggest advantages talaga ni Mayweather is the ability to really read game plans. Alam natin si Freddie Roach is very meticulous with fight plans. Diba? Parang he always...
Susundin lahat.
Kaya ang ginigrade niya si Pacquiao every after fight how he stuck to the game plan. So si Mayweather knows how to break down the play plan. It takes maybe 4 or 5 rounds for you to figure out what the opponent is trying to do. He's a really, really smart fighter. He's one of those fighters who really knows how to adjust to what he has to do against a certain opponent. So yun talaga for me is yung advantage niya. Si Pacquiao will always have a single game plan. You know, it might be wise for them to devise game plans like the first 6 or the second 6, because if you use just one fight strategy against Mayweather, he's really going to be able to read. He's done that in the past, he's shown that ability in the past to change, to adjust to what the opponent tries to do, and that's what makes him very dangerous.
And remember, si Mayweather, kilala niya si Freddie Rose. Alam niya kung paano mag-isip yun dahil Freddie Rose used to train him. So, basang-basa niya ang utak ni Freddie Rose.
If Mayweather fights the way he fights and Pacquiao fights the way he fights, I think mas ang burden of changing your strategy against your opponent to win the fight is more on Pacquiao. It's not Mayweather kasi sabi nga ni Jun, it's used to doing this for last 47 fights. Si Pacquiao is i-break down yung defense, yung sneaky punches, take him out of his comfort zone nga. Ganun mas malaki yung problema ni Pacquiao to beat Mayweather than si Mayweather to beat Pacquiao kung paghahanap ng strategy.
Sorry to disappoint the Filipinos.
So, that's the point. But yun nga, ganun yung basa ko
Oo. Ikaw, Fred, nagbasa mo ka na din?
Ganun din. Si Mayweather, aminin natin, in terms of boxing IQ, mas mataas ng si Mayweather kasi kay Pacquiao. In terms of smarts, gulang, Mayweather pa rin. Yun yan, tulad na nasabi ko kanina, Mayweather needs to control the fight. Once na mag-disrupt yun ni Manny Pacquiao, hindi na siya magkakaroon chance. Pero I don't think na mababago ni Pacquiao yung game plan ni Mayweather. It's up to Mayweather na kung open ba siya or defensive of the fight.
Natatakot ako pag nakikinig ko sa inyo dahil parang medyo maghahabol yung bata natin But it's a position that favors Manny Pacquiao.
It's always been better. For me, I've always loved the way he fights once he fights as an underdog.
But the last time he fought as an underdog was against De La Hoya.
De La Hoya. Look at his performance here. 148.
Grabe yun, no?
So, parang,
Record yun.
once he fights as an underdog, iba yung I think he prefers it that way. I think even his training camp prefers it.
I think so too. Before De La Hoya, ang dami niyan Si Nakoto, si Margarito.
Puro underdog siya. Diba?
Even against Morales.
In the start, diba? Nung bagong series na yan.
So, against Barrera. It was...
Lalo na yun. Lalo na yung Kevin Barrera.
So, yun din. Well, malaki talaga edge ni Mayweather, skill-wise, IQ-wise. But again, doesn't mean that Pacquiao is in big trouble because this might be the reason that will bring the best out of our national pride.
Ang ano ko lang I don't want to see the Filipinos disappointed. National mourning pag nagkataon. Pag nagkataon tayo.
End of Pacquiao, it's kasakali.
Really?
Kung sakasakali.
That closes our second episode when we dissected how Mayweather should fight to win. For our third episode, we want to show and we will talk about what fight fans should know and what they should expect on fight night. So I'll see you on our guys. Bumalik kayo for our third episode. Good day.